Always waiting on this guy. Every single time we go to the gym.
Every
time.
Dude, this first time that we're both vlogging though. Well, not first time, but first time in a while since like the Airbnb days.
Since we're both vlogging at the gym.
Yeah. Airbnb days be fucking sucking.
The old dolly zoom on Kenneth.
No handsome glasses today, guys. I'm sorry.
Oh, damn.
Oh, my stomach hurt.
Homie sleeping, bro. Homie sleeping.
Go fund me to get Marco a diaper for deadlift.
For real, bro. I might myself.
Look at this shit, guys. I gotta take off my beautiful Vical stringer and put on a black tank because SPD leaks. It leaks its dye for months after you buy it. So fucking annoying. Come on, SPD. I paid like $250 for this fucking belt. Gary, steal the SPD design, literally copy it 100%, and then just don't dye the interior, and it will be better than SPD. Kenny just finished his workout, and the champ himself is filming right after, so I brought him an Anabar.
What a guy, what a guy.
Everyone's basically learning. I'm gonna teach conventional because it's way easier to get the hang of. Sumo is very technical. You wanna stand feet like hip width apart. Don't have your feet straight forward. Have them slightly naturally pointed out. You wanna grip just outside of your shins. It doesn't matter how you're starting up here, you're just breathing, getting ready. But then as you go to pull, you wanna bring your hips down and flatten your back like this. And as you do that, you're gonna feel a stretch in your hamstrings and glutes. Try not to crane your neck up like this. Try to keep looking at the ground like right in front of you. Equally push with your quads and squeeze your glutes. So as you're passing your knees right here, you want to start locking your knees, and then the remainder from here to here, your legs should basically be locked. That's it.
Oh, you're speaking Spanish to me, bro.
James has spoken.
Yeah, yo, Father James speaks 3 languages. 2 of them are deadlift, and I don't know what the fuck he just said. So do I keep the same grip overhand, or one underhand, one overhand?
Yeah, move your legs a little closer. Good. Yeah. Now you want to push with your quads. Good. 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 Your neck kind of in line with the. Yeah, there you go. I'd say bring your feet half an inch close together. Put a little of this on your thighs so it doesn't, the bar doesn't scrape you up, especially as you go heavier. If you got 600 pounds on the bar and it's scraping against your thighs, it's gonna rip the skin off. Don't bounce, don't bounce. Good.
I was playing basketball with it at first.
Good. Good. Yeah, I think so. It looks like he's rounding his back, but actually his like lower back is just grown.
I'm hunchback.
Oh, we're still warming up. This is a warm-up.
James like triples this, bro. He be pulling like 6 plates. I just don't want to shit myself.
As you get closer to your PR unconventional, it feels better. You can feel everything like a bunch of links in a chain all tighten up, and you feel stronger as you go heavier. Good. All right, you're good. You're good. Dr. Jam has prescribed this man deadlifts. Let the bar slide against your shin. Yeah. I saw this in a poster in a gym once. I don't know how true it is, but for every inch away from your shins the bar is when you initiate the pull, that adds 40 pounds to the amount of force you have to exert. So that's why ideally you want the bar to be right against your shins as you pull.
I feel fucking hype, bro. I just tried to like get in the zone because I've never deadlifted.
I moved as fast as 3 plates.
How many should I go for? 4.5?
I think you should go for a 455. So still get in the zone, get hype, right? But in the back of your mind, just still maintain those mental cues. Hips down, brace core. Like don't just yank it as hard as you can. You know what I mean?
All right, I'm nervous, bro.
Up! Easy weight, baby. Up! You double overhanded that. That's fucking hard to do.
I'm fighting for my life and I give
David!
Oh! What?
Oh!
Yeah!
Yes!
There you go. Bro, I'm pretty sure everybody just hit a PR. Yo, was that, Marco, was that PR for all of you?
Yeah.
I'm fighting for my life. Even though I'm surrounded, I still feel it. But my shadow keeps me company. 'Cause everywhere I go, I'm seeing faces. I'm hearing voices telling me I ain't good enough. And everywhere I go, I'm seeing faces. I'm hearing voices telling me I'm not good enough. 'Cause everywhere I go, I'm seeing faces. I'm hearing voices.
Yo, I can't see straight.
The nervous system right now is just shitting itself.
I feel lit. I feel fucking hype, bro. I feel like I can do anything. I feel like I could
That's that fight
fuck
or
up
flight.
Floyd Mayweather, bro.
Oh yeah. All the way down here.
I'm seeing faces, I'm hearing voices telling me I ain't good enough. And everywhere I go, I'm seeing faces, I'm hearing voices telling me I'm not good enough. 'Cause everywhere I go, I'm seeing faces.
We just finished up, we did some deadlifts, did a little bit of volume, then we did some Bulgarian split squats. Now we're moving on to this upside down leg press machine. Fucking kills the adductors, the hamstrings, gives me a sick quad pump. So I haven't done this machine in a while, but I want to do it right now. You know, I fucking hate having a lower back pump, and I have one right now from deadlifts, and this machine kind of takes your spine and like pulls it. As you bring the weight down, it like pulls your spine apart and really like decompresses it. And it gives you a sick pump too.
When I was buying a bar, I saw him from back there. James got a booty pump for real, bro. Always.
Your followers know it.
is what happens when someone never hits legs and then trains with me. 19 inches. Homie's been knocked out for like 3 minutes just.
It's been 2 months. I did one half-ass leg day, and then James is like, nah, you're pulling 5 plates. Nah, you're fucking doing Bulgarian splits, bro. I like a... Oh, I can't even speak, bro. I contemplated suicide for 30 seconds when he asked me to hit legs with him.
But then it was the best day of his life. Homie came in and pulled 5 plates.
Nah, yeah, I feel insane. I feel fucking insane. Like, I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
There's a leg day right here.
I can feel my heartbeat on my fucking ankles.
All right, more drop sets. One leg at a time, but let's try to make it fast-paced.
It's because I have dyslexia. Smack it! Yeah!
He already has reflexes.
He knew that shit.
I have the fucking 6th sense when it comes
He knows.
James is used to being abused.
I do it at least like.
He knows that shit's coming.
Kenny, slow it down. I clenched as soon as she...
I do it at least 30 times a day, literally.
It was completely out of the corner of my eye.
I'm the sus one, apparently, and James goes, yo, bro, let me show you this picture Hannah took of my ass. And I'm the sus one. All right, but on the real though, let me see this ass pic. Whoa, whoa, I didn't think it was your actual ass, bro.
What else would it have been?
Yeah, peace out. Great workout. Peace out, bro.
That shit's fucking great.
It was awesome. It lasted 3 hours. It should be solid.
Bro, what?
All right, is this? So I assume this starts it. Oh, Jesus. Guys, I'm so fucking scared right now. So right now I'm driving Soosh's car because I gotta head to the bank and do a wire transfer for Vical, and the bank closes very soon. But holy shit, bro. Oh my God, I'm gonna drive at 2 miles an hour in this fucking super fast car. Damn, I feel like I'm driving in a tank. All right, we made it in one piece, luckily. Oh, what the fuck? Safely in one piece. I don't think I've ever driven slower in my life, dude. I was going like 10 under the whole time. I looked like a grandma in this expensive, loud-ass car. But here we are, gonna make the Vical transaction right now. There he is. Just got a little surgery done. Damn, I have fucked up some bugs. All right, just made it back home. I just drove through the worst fucking rain of my entire life. The thing that got like fucked up on my car happened because of heavy rain, and I like drove through a puddle and it fucked something up, and I got it fixed, and then as soon as I left the lot, right back into heavy rain. So I'm gonna go check my car, and if it's fucked up again, I might just have to buy the Model S. But look who we got here.
What's
up, boys?
Mr. Ankrum,
What's going on, people?
Mr. James.
We're about to have the craziest podcast in the world, so whenever this, you gotta go watch it.
He asked for it.
He asked for it.
Hey, I'm gonna try to arm wrestle the champ right here.
Yeah,
Hold
he
on
is
to that.
out angling the fuck out
Get
of you.
closer to your, get closer to the table. You want the best leverage you can.
Okay.
If you're like this, you're extended, not
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Pull back. Try to pull me back that way.
Like this
Good.
way towards me?
Yeah. And try to roll through my wrist like that. Fuck. I didn't want to damage. That looks expensive.
Give me your thoughts.
I mean,
Your face is the color of your hat.
I put in a lot of effort and it got me nowhere.
You go out there and give 110%?
Hey,
Somewhere around there.
How'd I do?
It was good. You were actually strong right off the bat, so then I was like, okay, fuck, get into position.
Oh, really?
There's some people where it's like I just kind of hold them, but then there's other people where I'm like, okay, fuck, I gotta try.
Okay.
3, start wrist straight, 3, and in the middle of the table or people will get mad at me.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. See, this is the top roll right here.
We arm wrestled like in middle school a lot. It's been a long time, but I was always pretty naturally good at arm wrestling.
Same.
Yeah.
I think that's why I got into it.
Yeah.
I was like, damn, I'm good at this.
This could be fun though.
Who won?
All right.
Who won?
Remington.
Have you beat him, bro?
Oh, dude, I
Beat him twice. I own the Tesla now.
this would be a good match. I think you guys are like equal.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
All right, hold on.
Remember your
I need to
top
get my
roll.
arm a little
Remember
break.
your top 3, 2, 1. Come on, Soosh, top roll him. There we go. There we go. All the
Let's
training.
go.
All that
Let's go.
training.
Prescribe me the dub, baby. James prescribing me the dub.
I am hitting the gym.
All right,
I'm gonna
Ryan.
come back.
Oh,
I saw the big
You gotta give it a shot,
dude. Ryan's actually got like
You
significant.
just gotta feel the strength. You gotta feel the strength.
Yeah, you gotta feel the strength.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, he's strong.
Oh yeah, use that leverage.
You let me get the top roll on you though. Have to kill a mosquito mid-match. Oh, I think that's a pin. Yeah. Parallel pin.
How was it?
Not bad.
Yeah,
Didn't go anywhere.
Not bad fresh.
He's strong, right?
He held at me at first.
Yeah, he is strong.
Big guy, huh?
Now my forearm's sore in here. Let's go to the gym.